Hello everyone, my name is Robin and we've been learning about shapes. So I thought let's make a 2D shape book, and it's going to be a pop-out book. So our shapes are going to be popping out. So what you're going to need is some paper. I've got some different colored paper, glue, your scissors, a pencil, a marker or Koki, and a ruler. Let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is make pages for our book. And how we do that is by taking various pages, so different colors. I'm first going to start with a yellow one. And we're going to fold it in half to make a little book. And maybe now I'll use an orange one to make the next page. And then I'm going to put it on top of each other, and then the blue. And let's see how many pages we've got. So every time you want to add more shapes, you can always add more pages. Now I always say put them on top of each other, then they'll be able to fold easily. There we go, there you can see it. And what you're going to do is just put a little bit of glue to make a bind. Line it up nice and straight. Let's do the next one. We're binding the pages together to make our book. Okay, so there we go. Now we can see the pages in our book. The next part we are going to do is draw some shapes for our book. Let's use a red piece for now. I want it to be a pop-out book, so I'm going to fold my page in half again, and I'm going to draw a square. Now it's got 4 equal sides. Using my ruler and pencil, I'm going to draw my square. Down the middle, make sure that the fold is part of the shape. So you can see my shape goes down the fold. Or the fold is in the middle rather, so that when I cut it out and stick it into my shape book, it will be able to pop out. So cut out your shape. Right, yeah, I've done one already. I've put a heading, my 2D shape book. And there's a circle, and I'm going to show you how to glue it. Let me find an open space. There we go. So the square that I have that's folded in half, I want it to be able to fold with the book. So I'm just going to put glue on the sides of the square. Only the sides, nothing more. And I line it up with the center fold so that when my book opens, it pops out. Can you see that? And now you can write in your book. I mean, we're learning about shapes, so we want to know. This is called a square. And it's got 4 sides. These are all just reminders for ourselves when we are remembering our different shapes. So remember, you stick down the sides to make it pop up. Make sure that lines up with a fold in the middle. Let's have a look at the next one that I did before. There's a circle, one-sided. Here's another one that I cut out beforehand. What shape is this? It's got 2 long sides, 2 short sides. It's a rectangle. So I'm going to quickly glue it down. Find a page. There we go. Line it up with the center fold. And you can keep adding pages to make your pop-up book, your 2D shape pop-up book. Remember to write down the details of each shape. There we go. This one's got to pop up. Here's my square. I've got another square. Circle. Think of some more shapes and add them to your book. And there you have it. You've got your own pop-up book with your 2D shapes. Keep adding to it. Make some more shapes to put into it and have fun.